I'll be using products today that will be age appropriate for over 40 skin, keeping things very moisturized. Now my face normally has a lot of color in it, so I did put a little bit of a foundation base on it, but you don't need to do that to add some color into your face. What I do recommend is having a little bit of moisturizer on your hands to begin with. So I'm just gonna moisturize my fingertips first because we're gonna be applying makeup with our fingers today. I'm gonna start with this color stick by Mineral Fusion. This color here is a bit of a bronzy, shimmery color, and we're gonna use that to put most of the color in our face today. And then I'll also show you some other products that I use on a daily basis to put a little color into my face. I think we're gonna be using some of that along with this today. That is a nice, subtle, and natural color. I like that very much. And it's a little bit of a shimmery finish. I'm just gonna blend that in. I may even apply some more. And I'm gonna put some across my nose as well. Maybe even the tops of my cheeks. Give them a little bit of a sun-kissed look. So you can see this blends out to be a slightly different color than you see on the stick here. It's got a very creamy finish and it's very easy to blend. Now, other products that work really nicely also as a blush would be this one by Wet n Wild. This is the one I just use all the time. I really like the color. It's a little bit kind of peachy side. And I was gonna throw this lipstick out because I don't like it on my lips, but it looks very nice on my cheeks and it's soft and blendable finish also. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this one here, which is a little bit more of a peachy tone, just to kind of add to this just a little bit, maybe just in this area. Now, if you don't have bangs, you can extend this into the forehead area a little bit too, but I am not gonna put any makeup on my forehead. This would also be the time you could use a bronzer. I'm gonna stick with cream products today. I don't have a cream bronzer, so I'm not going to bronze, but I do have a cream contour stick. The difference between bronzer and contour is bronzing is gonna be a little bit more of a warm tone, whereas this is kind of a cool mocha tone, and this is just for, you know, putting a little bit of shadows into the face. I don't really go out of control with this. I just put a little bit right there. And then blend that in well. And you can also use this for contouring your nose. I don't really do a lot with my nose, but I might actually do my jawline a little bit and color it in there. I often don't do this step, but we're going to do it today to get the full effect of ways to add color into your face. Another set that's really good for adding color into your face is this Boomstick Trio. I've done a bunch of videos on this. Maybe I'll link them down below, but this is also a great product for putting color into your face with cream products that are very easy blendable and match your skin tone really nicely. Just realized we did nothing with the lips. We could do a lip stain, which I might do that anyway to begin with. But before I do a lip stain, I just want to see what does this look like on the lips if you were to use this for lip color. I probably should take care of my glossiness. I went overboard with putting moisturizer on and a little bit of foundation. This foundation happens to be quite dewy. I don't usually always use powder, but I'm going to use a little bit today just to kind of combat this just a little bit. My favorite powder is this one by Aesthetica. I don't really use a whole lot. I tend to take a big, huge, fluffy brush and just kind of stick it on the little holes that are in there. Maybe get a little bit on the brush and then tap it off. And so I don't get lines and crusties or anything on my eyes, I'll first tap down, if I have concealer or foundation on here, just a little bit. And I'll start with around my mouth area and then work up towards my eyes. Now we've put enough color into our face. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of eyeliner and mascara.